Hi, I am Souvik Karmakar, a data analyst who enjoys combining business understanding with AI-driven solutions. I bring over 2.5 years of full-time experience solving real business challenges through data. I primarily work with SQL, Python, Power BI, and Excel, and I focus on turning complex data into clear and measurable insights. Over time, I have worked on automating reporting processes, optimizing workflows, and improving the way teams use the data to make informed decisions. I also have hands-on experience with machine learning and AI-driven solutions, which helps me to go beyond traditional reporting and build smarter systems. My core skills include SQL, Python, Power BI, Tableau, machine learning, and generative AI. I have built interactive dashboards that improve visibility for stakeholders, develop forecasting and segmentation models, and streamline data pipeline to make reporting more efficient and more reliable. In addition to my practical experience, I hold an advanced certification in data science and AI from IIT Guwahati. I have also completed certification in SQL, Power BI, generative AI using LangChain and Hugging Face from Udemy, which basically helped me deepen my understanding of modern AI-powered analytic solutions. So what sets me apart? Why me? I don't just analyze data. I try to understand the business problem behind it. I focus on building solutions that are more practical, scalable, and more aligned with the business goals. With strong analytical foundation and modern AI capabilities, I am confident in my ability to create meaningful impact. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute my skills and grow with your organization. Thanks for your time.